Hey everybody, this is Ryan. Welcome to the investing channel. And in tonight's video, we're going to do a video on SLP. All you SLP fans out there, I told you, remember, I told you it was going to come back around. We've done price predictions on it, and I told you patience is key, and it is really pumping now. So in this video, I'm going to look at the charts. We're going to look at what the price prediction was when I entered and when I got taken out. And how much I made. For those of you guys that are in the trade right now, congratulations, you probably made money. And some of you are probably still holding, so keep holding if you want. But there is a lot of room for growth on SLP, and I'll probably end up buying back in. Anyway, if you guys are into crypto or you're into stocks and you're looking at price predictions and you want to follow me on my journey, that's what I do. And I have a really good percentage of being able to pick good entry points and good exit points, okay? And for those of you guys that are new, keep watching. Don't change the channel. You need to watch and you need to see this, okay? So if you guys are into following me and seeing price predictions on coins and stuff, or maybe you're stuck in a coin right now and you're like, I don't know if I should get out in it, if I should stay in it, if I should sell, what I should do, let me do a video for you. Let me show you what your options are, and then you guys can make a more well-informed decision, okay? So subscribe to the channel if you haven't subscribed yet, right there, boop, boop, and then smack that notification bell so that you're notified when I come up with the next video. That's what I do. I do videos when I enter into a trade and once it takes profit. So let's go ahead and let me show you that I know what I'm talking about. All right, you ready? All right, let me share my screen with you. By the way, this is the Florida Keys. I just got back from a vacation. That was Robbie's. We were over there. Well, we weren't staying there, but we drove down there and hung out for a little bit. So, all right, let's go. Okay, real quick. Here we are. Here's my channel. Here's some of the price predictions I've done recently. I have another one that just took profit. I did Shiba Inu. This one right here just took profit within like the last 48 hours. I was traveling all day yesterday, so I couldn't do any videos. But if you click on videos here, you will see that I've done some on SLP. And I've told you guys, I've got a lot of people looking, 2,100 people looking at this and seeing my price predictions, right? I've done it over here. And I think there might be one or two more. Here's one. Are there any more? Well, here's one over here. Okay. So let's go ahead and let me show you that I took profit. I did a video right over here, roughly 13 days ago. And I told you guys what to look for. Here's my spreadsheet. And here is my SLP back here on the 24th. I jumped into it. I only put 500 into it. Didn't put a lot. Should have put a lot more. But the chart was kind of looking odd. Things were happening. Everyone was running scared. And so I felt confident, but I was still kind of like, ugh, this is really dropping here. But I felt like it was going to swing. So I put 500 into it. I got this many coins, 45, 4 coins. I bought in at 0.011. Okay, so a little over 1 cent. And my take profit was at 0.022. And I made $500 off a $500 investment. Okay, so I doubled my money, 100%. All right, so over here, I'm going to type cleared. Okay, these are the other coins that I'm in right now. We're going to go look at the chart in just a second. Stay with me, guys, because you need to see this for those of you that are new. Well, I'll go look at the chart now. Here's the chart. And here's what everyone has been upset about lately. Here, let me do this. Okay, look at how it's dropped. It was dropping like crazy, right? And everyone was asked, look at that, just boom, big free fall. That's like a ski slope there. Anyway, it just kept dropping and dropping and dropping and dropping. And finally, it started to hit these levels where it just kind of lingered there. And I was telling you guys, it's going to go back up, right? Okay, so how did I know that it was going to be going up? Okay, let me share with you guys. So I shared with everyone my indicators. You should go back and watch my videos, or at least 1 or 2 of them. But I'm pretty good at eyeballing stuff now because I've been picking points for about 2 years. And as you can see right here, I've in on a lot of coins right now, and you can see that a lot of them have are just clearing. And I've got 9 coins. 9 of these coins in here are in the green now. They're moving up to take my taking profit point. So you're going to see a lot more videos, 9 more videos here, hopefully in the next couple of days, of these coins taking profit. And I'm going to prove to you guys that, look at this, cleared, 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 cleared. They're all cleared, cleared. They're all starting to clear. Okay, so how did I know? What was the indication? So this was kind of where I marked where I was going to be taking profit. One of my indicators that I like to use when price action drops below these bases, it more often than not will come back and swing back up. It'll drop for a while. You might have to wait a month, a week, 6 months, but it usually more often than not comes back around. And let me show you. Dropped there, didn't come back up till over here. Dropped there, came back up, dropped, came back up. Cracked right real quick right there, came back up, cracked, came back up to that line, cracked, came back up, cracked, came back up, cracked, came back up right there, cracked, came back up right there, cracked, hasn't come back up on that. This is where we kind of started having it not reach those levels. Cracked, almost came back up, cracked, almost came back up, cracked, that one came back up, cracked, that one came back up, cracked, and that one is getting close to hitting right there, 0.0275. So if anybody is in this, down in this range, the next profit margin I see for this hitting is 0.0272, 275, somewhere in that range. And it is pumping right now. Let's go look at the Ichimoku. All right, let me get rid of this, Ichimoku. Look at that. We broke through that. We finally broke through that stupid red cloud, and it just is shooting upward like crazy. Look at this, 22% green, 22% change in the positive. So if this is something that you guys are finding interesting, or it breaks these barriers and it comes back up more often, and just knowing kind of when to eyeball and visualize where these barriers are on the chart, whether it's stocks or whether it's crypto. I think it works primarily more with crypto. Stocks, there's a little more fluctuation with like news of the day and things. But anyway, if you find that interesting, if this is something new for you guys, or if you guys found this creative, please, right over here, there's a thumbs up sign just below right there where I'm pointing on your screen. If you could just give me a thumbs up, that helps me out. That helps YouTube know that I'm providing you guys insightful, helpful information, okay? So SLP took profit, right? But look at where SLP can go, could go. Remember, more often than not, it swings back up, and we are heading towards a monster move up here. It could take a while. This has been going down since July, so it could take 7 months to get back up in this range. But if you guys are long-term holders, then something you might want to think about. If you need to get your money out quick and you bought somewhere down in this range and you're like, oh, thank God, I just want to get out, then get out. But when I invest, I don't invest all my money. I only invest what I'm willing to lose. And then I sit back and I wait. I make the trade. I shut down the laptop. I walk away and I go enjoy my day, or I go do my other job, because I don't do this full time. But I've got a good percentage, and soon I hope that this will be my primary job, where I can just do this from anywhere I want to go to. And maybe even I'll go back to the Keys. I'll hang out at Robbie's, and I'll just be making my airline. I'll make enough money to cover the cost for my airline, in one day. So that's my profit. Made 500 bones today, and doing good. So thanks guys for watching. Please thumbs up down below, subscribe to the channel if you haven't yet, and then smack that notification bell so that you're notified when these other coins, well, I've got them all here. You can't see it, but when they all start taking profit, okay? So things are going good. Things are turning, okay? All right. Let me know in the comments if you're stuck in any other coins and you want me to do a video on them so everybody can see and get an idea, how to analyze it, okay? I'll try to do that for you guys. Thanks for watching, and I appreciate you subscribing. All right, bye-bye.